What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Ledisi, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back again, getting you ready for the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. And I want to give all y'all guys a shout out at a sold out event. Thank you so much for your support. If you got your registration, make sure your hotel room is booked. This next line dance I'm going to teach you is called Nereida. It's out of California. It's a four-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. This is the instructional. If you watch till the end, I'll post the link and we can, excuse me, dance together. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, I'm going to be uploading a lot of easy peasy dances. So your instructor can only teach you so much. So come here, make sure you subscribe, and you can learn these dances on your own and add them to your own playlist. Are you ready? Let's go. So I'm gonna stand here. You stand on this side, not on that side. But on this side, looking out into this direction. So we just gonna walk to the right and walk to the left. Nereida. So we walk to the right, right, tap, left, right, tap, right. Easy enough. These dances are real easy. So we're gonna rock side to side. We're gonna rock right, tap left, rock left, tap right, rock right, tap left, and tap. So I'm going to make a turn to my left with my right shoulder going forward, a quarter turn at the next wall. Okay, so it's a four-wall dance. That's how we're going to get there with that rock. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, tap 8. Okay, so let's put that together. So far we've done just two things. Walk to the right, walk to the left, and we rock 4 times with the tap. And we turned on that 4 times, making a quarter turn to 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, tap 4. It's 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Rock 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. And we're here at this wall. My right heel is up. I'm gonna do a rock recover. Rock, recover, triple step. So I rock back on my right, recover on my left, and went forward triple step. Right, left, right. Okay? Again, rock, recover, triple step. Right, left, right. I'm going to tap out left and right. Left, right, and come up on the left and tap on the right. So, how does it go? 1 and 2, up, 3, tap 4. So I went out left, right, up, left, tap right. So let's put that together with the rock, recover, triple step. 5, 6, 7, and rock, recover, right, left, right, up, left, tap right. So let's put that together. We almost there. We almost there. These line dances that I'm teaching y'all, they don't even take 5 minutes to learn. So you can learn probably about 3 or 4 of them in one day. Okay, and just save them. You have to subscribe to the playlist. Subscribe to the channel. And you can save them and go back and just do them. Just one after the other, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, walk to the right. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8, rock back, 1, 2, triple 3 and 4, out 5, 6, up 7, tap 8. Now, notice that we move forward. So we're going to use a step, lock step, coming back. Right, cross, step, tap, left, cross, step, tap. So that's a lock step moving back. Right, left, and lock means you just cross it over. Step, tap, left, cross, left, tap. And the dance starts over. Okay, so what did we do? We did that rock recover with the triple. Right, left, right, up, left, tap, right. It's 1 lock, 2 step, 3 tap, 4 left, 5 lock, 6, 7, and 8. And that's what's gonna move us back. And the dance starts over. Let's do it from here. Walk to the right, walk to the left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Turn it on 7, 8 when you rock that fourth one to your left. Rock, recover. Rock, recover, triple step. Out left, out right, up left, tap right. Step, lock, step. Step, cross, step. Tap, left, step, cross, step, tap. And then the dance starts over. Nereida, Nereida, I think that's the name of it. All right, that is the dance. Let's do it again from this wall. We're gonna do it 2 times. Nereida, Nereida, Nereida. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, up, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the top, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, triple 3, and 4 left. 5, 6, up, 7, tap. 8 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the dance. That's the dance. Let me know how you did. Nereida. Nereida is a 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise. That's come out of California, Jackie BOWIE. Yes. Make sure you subscribe. When you subscribe, you can save these videos and create your own playlist. If you don't know how to do that, talk to your niece, your nephew, your grandson, your granddaughter. They'll set you up, okay? So, let me know how you did. Leave me a comment. Thank you again for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience. I'm getting y'all guys ready. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.